Hey guys, in today's class we'll be talking about how to buy a crypto before it goes viral. Now the truth is that if you are lucky enough to find and buy a particular crypto before it goes viral, you can make a lot of money from it. Alright, now the real work is, where can I find this crypto, where can I find the information, and how can I buy these cryptos before they go viral, because you want to make some money from the crypto when it pumps. Now I'll be sharing an information about how I've been able to buy cryptos before they go viral, and of course you can actually learn from my experience and of course make use of it in your day-to-day crypto activities. Welcome back here guys, and today's class is going to be really simple, and I'm just going to share some simple tools I've been making use of. Now one of the best tools for this information hunt is the coin market cap. Now finding a crypto before it goes viral is actually a lot of work to do, but it can be very easy if you watch this video till the end. All right, so here's the coin market cap, where I use, or what I use, to source for my informations about cryptos that are about to launch or that are about to go viral. So I'm going to get into the coin market cap app, and it's just very simple and easy to use, and don't worry, you can download it from Play Store if you're using an Android, from App Store if you're using an iPhone. Once you're here, quick, all you have to do is to go straight to this area where you find N. Okay, now on the N area, what you have to just do is to click on this place where you find Exchange Listing. This is an area where you find all the cryptos that have listed or that are about to be listed. Now, if you're a crypto lover, or if you've stayed so long in crypto, you understand one simple truth, is that when a particular crypto is launching on a popular exchange like Binance, the price tends to go high. Now, for users like me, all I have to do is to maybe buy that crypto before it launches on Binance. But then, how do you know it's going to launch on Binance, right? Now, this area of the coin market cap tells you when a particular crypto will be launching. For example, this crypto called Blue AI is launching on KuCoin and is launching on the 21st of October. This is how I get my information from the coin market cap app. So what I'm just going to do is to go and buy the crypto on any other exchange this crypto is already there, okay, before it launches on KuCoin, because on the launching day it is going to go high a little bit. But then there are risks to these things, and I'm going to let you know the risks involved. Of course, when a crypto goes so high on the launching day, it can drop the next day. So you have to know that selling and the time to sell could be very important, so you don't lose all of your money. Okay, now crypto carries risk, and of course you saw that disclaimer at the beginning of the video. This simply means that you have to apply caution and of course know when to sell and know when to buy. So particularly I love buying cryptos that would be launching on Binance. So I'm just going to show you about two of them that I purchased in the past and how I got the information. For example, okay, this ZBT, okay, I didn't participate in this one because I did not find where to actually buy the ZBT. ZBT was supposed to launch on Binance on the 17th of October, but I couldn't find any other exchange that sells ZBT. People who found other exchanges that sell ZBT were able to make money when it launched on Binance. But I'm going to give you an example of the ones I purchased. Okay, I'm just going to scroll down. I particularly am looking for exchanges that are launching on Binance, because Binance is a big name and a very popular crypto exchange, and when a crypto launches on Binance, the price can skyrocket that same day and just start going down the next day. All right, now I'm going to scroll down and just find a random example. Okay, yes, I participated in Asta. A lot of us here who participated in Asta will understand what really happened, and I'm going to describe that story for you right now. So CoinMarketCap actually told us that Asta will be listed on Binance on the 6th of October. Now, this information was already here since like the 1st of October. So people who actually found this information quickly purchased some Asta token on other exchanges that already have Asta. For example, Asta is already on Bybit. But let me show you what happened on the 6th of October for people who bought Asta before then. So I got information that it's going to launch on Binance by the 6th of October, and definitely I told you that when Binance is launching a particular crypto, the price of that crypto tends to go up. So what I did is that I had to go find Asta and buy Asta on my Bybit. It is quite easy to do. Now, not just Bybit, you can use other exchanges that are legit. Okay, that are legit, not just anyhow exchange. Okay, not just anyhow. You have to actually buy from exchanges that are popular and that are verified. You know what I mean? Okay. So I came on this area where I found where you find. Forgive me, I have to do some simple. I have to put my phone on DND. Okay. So I came here to find Asta. When I bought Asta, I'm just going to go on this area and share some things. So Asta is launching. Asta was supposed to launch on Binance on the 6th of October. All right. Now Asta has already been on Bybit for a very long time, longer than the 6th of October. So I bought Asta at this point when I got that information. Now let me show you something. Let me show you all these marks you are seeing here are different candles that represent days. Okay, so you can see let's say on the 21st. Okay, let's say I found that information on the I found that information on the 1st of October. Okay, so I'm going to share when I found that information. Yes, so you can see according to my dates here, you can see this date and time. This is the chart for 1st of October 2025, and this is the price. This was the price of Asta at that time. Asta was about $1.5 when I found that information. Okay, Asta was about $1.5, and I came here and of course purchased some Asta tokens. And guess what happened on the day it launched? Of course, Binance is a big name, and of course such cryptos can just pump on Binance, can just pump because they're launching on Binance. It's a beautiful thing for them. People want to buy the token because Binance is a popular exchange. Now let's get straight to the 6th of the 6th of October. What happened? So on the 6th of October, this is the chart for the 6th of October. You can see the price of Asta went to as high as it went to as high as, you can see the highest was 2.2. The date is 6th of October, and the price went to about 2.2. Now, if you're a smart person, you are supposed to sell on that same day because, of course, I've done this many times, and from experience, once it launched on an exchange, the next thing that people will just start selling. And of course, when they start selling, you have to know that you are supposed to sell on that day, or maybe a day before that launching day, because people say buy the rumor, sell the news, right? So you are buying the rumor. If you have found that it's going to be listed on Binance, you are going to go and buy on another exchange that is not Binance, because of course it's not on Binance, but it's on Bybit. Okay, so this is exactly what I did, and I bought for around 1.5, and I sold for around 2.0, I think 2.0, and it was good amount for me. Okay, and guess what? You are selling it on Bybit. You're not even transferring it to Binance or anything at all. This is a very powerful information I'm sharing with you, and you can use it in your day-to-day crypto journey. Give this video a like if you love things like this. So I'm going to share another example. Of course, I get this information from the CoinMarketCap, and it's not like you're visiting any funny platform or whatever. Okay, so come back to the end area again. Let me check out. I think I bought another one. Still found that information here on CoinMarketCap, and let's just check it out and see what it looks like. Okay, so on the end area, I'm just going to let it load up, and once it's here, I'm going to click on exchange listing, and I'm particularly looking for Binance listed coins. So anyway, I see Binance. Okay, I talked about ZBT, so I'm not going to talk about it again. I'm particularly looking for Binance listed coins, and that day I found Asta, and before I found Asta, I think I also found another one called, I think I'm going to find that crypto here. Okay, the not this particular one, ZAN. I found ZAN also, but ZAN was not on Bybit, so I could not buy from other funny exchanges because I don't want to lose my money. I told you that buying from funny exchanges can make you lose your money. So I particularly buy the crypto from exchanges that are popular. For example, Gate.io, Bybit, KuCoin, BingX, Bridget, OKX, not just any exchange at all. And so I did not participate on this XAN because I could not find it on Bybit and I could not find it on any other exchange that I know. Okay, so I did not do this particular one, but I did this one called, I think I did another one. I'm going to find that. Okay, yes, I did the AVNT. I participated on the AVNT. It listed on the 15th of September on Binance, but I found the information here on the CoinMarketCap on the, I think, 8th of September. So once I found that AVNT will be listed on the 8th of September, I went to buy it on Bybit. Okay, now like I said, when you find information, the date of listing on Binance particularly, of course you can do your own research, use any exchange you want, but I choose Binance listed tokens because, come on, the news makes waves, and of course the crypto will pump in price and you'd love it. Okay, so I choose Binance listed tokens. So I went to Binance straight up. So I went to Bybit to find AVNT. So guys, going to Bybit, I found out that Bybit already has AVNT. And now let's see what happened on the 15th of September, how much the price rose to, and how much I bought it for on the 8th of September. Remember, I saw the news on CoinMarketCap on the 8th of September, but the coin is supposed to be launching on Binance on the 15th of September. All right, so I'm going to come here and just search for the AVNT. Okay, it's already here. You just come here and type AVNT on the search bar, and once you have gotten the AVNT, you can just come and look at the chart. Okay, so let's look at what happened on the date of the launching. On the particular date it launched on Binance, there is usually huge buying force in the market. So let's look at 15th of September. Okay, and this is 21st. So this is 20th. This is 18. This is 16. So this is 15th. So guys, this is what happened when the day the coin was launched on Binance. This is what happened. You can see the price rose to as high as 1.09, but I bought it at a small price of about I bought it on this date. I bought it on this date, which is the 8th, which is about 0. I think this was about 0.05, 0.8, 0.08. I think I bought that crypto for about 0.08 or 0.1, an average price of 0.1. I bought it at this point. Okay, and I was able to sell it on the date it listed on Binance, which is on the 15th, and that 15th happened to be this area. Now I told you that there are risks attached, so apparently I bought at 0.1 at an average price, and I sold for around 0.9 or $1, which is about 10 times ROI, or 10 times in returns. Now there are risks attached to this, and what are the risks? Of course, you understand that crypto involves risks. You can lose a lot of your money if you don't do it well. Now I noticed that when the coin is launched on Binance, the next day it starts dropping for many of them. Now I decided that I'm going to buy on the day I saw it on CoinMarketCap, and I'm going to sell it on the day it launches on Binance, or a day before it launches on Binance. Now you can see this particular one, AVNT, launched on Binance and kept going up. Now I don't care about all the profits I've lost on this area. I just want to sell it I just want to obey my law of selling on the listing day, and of course that is how I've been making use of this particular strategy to buy coins before they go viral. All right, so I hope you understand this and learn from my mistakes or things I've done. You can see other times some people might just hold it because it's going up and they don't know when it's going to crash so badly, and you can lose all of your money. It's even going to go lower than what you have already purchased for. Okay, so you have to be very careful. I've shared the advantages and the disadvantages of this. You can give this video a like if you love this information, and of course if you want me to also share some of the crypto that I'll be listing on some dates, okay, I can actually share that information with you, and you would also love it. Now, this will be the end of this class, guys. And don't forget, we have a class on Bybit P2P merchant business, which you can join. If you want to become a merchant, want to apply, you want to get one-on-one training on how to become a merchant, then you have to message me using the description. And of course, I'll be there. This costs a little fee, but then you can actually gain more from that class. See you on another one, guys, and have a very wonderful day.